This question, we have to have the same bases. We have to make sure that the bases are the same. So to make the same bases, this 7 squared can be written as 7 to the power 1 over 2, and then we write this power as well. 24 minus the square root of x is equal to, so this one, for it to have the same base as this one, it can be 7 squared. So we have the same bases. So the bases are the same. We can get the power for us to solve the question, which is 1 over 2, 24 minus the square root of x is equal to, the power here is 2. So we're getting 2. Okay. So to get rid of the fraction, we're going to multiply everything by 2. So these 2 and these 2 cancel. And then we're going to remain with 24 minus x is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. At this stage, we're going to get rid of this square root symbol by squaring both sides. This square root and this one cancel. And then we're going to remain with 24 minus is equal to 16. 4 squared is equal to 16. And then we're going to collect the like the 24. When 16 crosses the equal sign, and then this one will go the other side, it's going to be positive x squared. And then 24 minus 16 is 8, is equal to this. Here we're being told to solve for x, not x square root with a square root symbol. So to get rid of this square root symbol, we're going to square both sides. 2 square, and this square root symbol will cancel. And then 8 to the power 2, it's 64 is equal to x. Therefore, we've solved for x. X is equal to 64. Thank you.